In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can reset your admin password on WordPress.com. So if you go to your website name /WP admin and you're trying to log in with your username and password and you're not able to get in, and you try to reset your password by selecting lost your password, and when you enter your email address and select get new password, you get an error like this. There is no account with that username or email address. So what you need to do is log into your HostGator. So what you need to do is to log into your cPanel and go to your PHP admin. So here I'm using HostGator. Now whichever hosting company you're using, then just follow along and look for similar steps, right? So I'm going to select hosting and then I'm going to go to my cPanel. Then what you want to do is scroll down and look for databases and select PHP MyAdmin. This is the database for my website, so you're going to expand it, and then your schemas may look a little bit different. So what you're going to look for is anything that says users. So it could be WP users, right? So that's the table you want to select. Here you'll see a list of users that is in your database and can log into your website from the WP admin page. So in this case, I do not have an admin account. My login is MR, right? So to reset my password, all I need to do is select edit, and then from here select MD5 and then delete this password. So you're going to specify your password. It will be in plain text, right? However, it will be encrypted once you save. So you scroll down and then select go. So now let's go back to my PHP admin page. I'm going to select login, enter my username and the password that I just set, and then select login. And that's how you can go about resetting your admin password for logging into your WP admin page. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.